Hey guys, so with the flu season going on now, and after lots of Lunar New Year cookies, I wanted to boost my immunity, and also because I'll be traveling soon and wanted to prep for a convenient and yummy travel snack. Instead of the immunity juices that removes a lot of the fiber goodness that you might see in some other video recipes, I really wanted something that also fills me with the fiber, have a variety of antioxidants and vitamin C, yet low in sugar. So I made this delicious immunity ginger truffles that is only sweetened with dates, and it's completely nut-free, so it's less heaty for your body and you get a nice crunch in every bite too. It's another super easy to make, so let's get started together.